If you want to record tutorials, gameplay, video calls, or anything happening on your screen, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. And the best part, you probably don't need any extra app. A lot of people download screen recording apps without realizing their Android phone already has one built in. Let me show you how to turn it on in less than 2 minutes.
So to record with your phone, swipe down from the top of your screen and look for screen recorder. So mine is there. In case yours is not there, click on this icon, like a pencil icon, edit icon. Click on it and then search for screen recorder. It can be screen recording anyone. So what you will do is to drag it out. Because mine is already there's no need to drag anything out. So for example, let's use this essential recorder to show you how to drag it out. Just click and drag it out like this. It's already there. So once screen record is showing at your quick setting, next thing you do is to click on that screen record. Click on that screen record. As you double click, this app will appear, and then you will see record one app, record this screen. You don't want to record one app because it will only record one particular app. Like maybe you want to record only Facebook, or we want to record the whole screen. So we choose record this screen, and then we also move to record audio. If you look, you will see device audio, microphone, device and audio. You want to choose the one that you want. Device audio is only the audio that will show. Microphone is going to give your sound. Only what you are saying in the video will show. But device audio and microphone, any sound that is coming from the phone and the microphone will show. So as you're explaining the video will be talking and you'll be talking. But if you don't want the video to talk, just select microphone only. Turn on show touch on the screen so that people will see what you are touching. Touching an app, it's showing you where your hand is. We want to record something on Facebook. So this is what we are recording on Facebook. Screen record. After recording, you scroll down and stop it. So to find your video, go to gallery, select videos, and you will see your video there. So that is basically how to record with your phone. So this video you just watched is our video. The video is fine. Our voice is showing, the video sound is showing. But remember, you can choose to off the sound of the video if you want. So in case you do not see, even after the first step, in case you do not see, you scroll down, you go to screen record. At the quick setting, you do not see screen recorder, you go to pencil editing, you do not see it. No problem, I got you. Open your Play Store. When you open your Play Store, search screen recorder. Once you search it, you will see this particular screen recorder for Android. That is the one I'm using, and it has been working perfectly well. Choose the screen recorder for Android. It's totally free. They are not giving ads. It's just so perfect. So just select that one. But there are other options. There is A to Z recorder. There is a S recorder. So just play with it. Find the one that you want. But this is my recommendation to you. Screen recorder for Android. So once you have found it, just download it. Once you download it, open it. I have installed it already. Open it. It brings you to this surface. You will see react to video is another tool inside it. So if you want to react to video, you can use it to react to video. You put your recorder, put your screen roll, whatever you want to react to. But that is not why we are here. The reason why we are here is for screen recorder. So just click on that screen recorder. This drop menu will come out. They will ask you, do you want to record your whole screen? You just say yes, I want to record the whole screen, and then start recording. So this is how to do it. And if you want to stop it, you can just click stop recording.
If this helped you, tap like so more beginners can find this tutorial easily. Now you know how to screen record on Android without stress. If you want more simple phone tutorials, editing tips, and creator guides, subscribe. I post beginner-friendly videos every week.